The poem, Lone Wolf Howl. Lone Wolf Howl, the image manufactured, strong, resilient, defiant. The ranger walking, rawhide bootstraps, rugged individualism, set apart from the rest, making life the best. Lone Wolf Howl, the nature observed, calling, seeking, searching, awaiting a reply, to gather once more, Tashunkawakan, family medicine, plain to see, call for community. About the poem. Lone Wolf Howl was originally written over 30 years ago. It has changed over the years, but the message is the same. It first came to me in a very rough form when I was camping with my parents in the Minnesota state parks. At the amphitheater, they had a presentation, a movie, Language and Music of the Wolves. For me, that started a fascination which eventually became a study into the wolves and a realization that they were a totem animal for me. It furthered with my experiences with Lakota friends and their understanding of the wolf. The importance of an individual word in poetry has been stated many times, and with Lone Wolf Howl, it became important for me to stress, through the use of the word manufactured, that the wolf in the first stanza is a wolf as it's been created by the Western mind, by the people who came here, did not observe the wolves as the indigenous people did, but rather manufactured the lone wolf image seen in movies, especially those which attempt to portray the individual as having dominance or preference over community. I hope through Lone Wolf Howl to highlight the difference between the people who observe and see the good that we can find in nature, as opposed to those who would create an image that is self-serving. That image is just that, a romanticized image. In nature, it is the lone wolf who does not survive, for it is through the community that wolves continue. The reality is that the lone wolf must choose either to join the community or to perish.